So today I got in the mail this kit from Antlion Audio. It's the ModMic 5, and they're gracious enough to give me some accessories for it too, which is an XLR power converter, and this device, which I believe will allow me to plug in my newly created headset to like at the bottom of a PS4 controller. Got input for the headset and the microphone, and this is a splitter. I'm going to set these aside for now, and we're just going to focus on the installation of the ModMic 5. So this is also going to be kind of an unboxing video because I haven't opened it yet. So inside the package, we've got a nice braided cable. Oh, actually this is braiding that goes over a cable. Set that aside. A nice little case. It says Antlion on it. Everything's organized inside, really nice. So I'm going to take out the alcohol pad and the mic. Alright, so this is the main unit that's going to go onto my headset, and I just watched the video on installation. What I want to do is find the position that I want to install this on my headset. I've got a pair of headphones I want to use here, so I'm going to kind of, I can't hear anything, kind of put it where it's in the natural position for my face, which looks like about here. So that looks like about here, and I'm going to do a prep pad. Alcohol. What do you think? Right there? Okay, pushing in. I'm going to take it off. And I'm going to remove the magnet. I'm going to push down for 30 seconds. Then I'm just going to let this sit here for a while and cure it. And we'll get back to it later and check it out, see how it works.
Okay, so now that I have the ModMic 5 installed, I can take it off whenever I want. And just listen to music or whatever, or just listen to games. But if I want to stream or chat with friends, I can just snap it right back on. And I've got the two cables right now kind of loose, but I do have the clips included in the kit. I could make them snugger together, or if I really wanted to make this a permanent situation, I could put the braided cable on, which is included with the kit. But for right now, I'm just kind of letting it hang loose so I have the freedom to do whatever I want with the cables. Next, I'm going to show you what the audio would sound like if I use this included Y adapter. Actually, it's not included with the kit, I was provided it. This will allow me to plug this into the bottom of my PlayStation 4 controller and stream or whatever there. So that's next. Alright, so we've got the Incredibles, Lego Incredibles loaded up, and I just wanted to show you how the audio sounded. I've got the plug with the adapter into the bottom of my PlayStation 4 controller, and I think it sounds pretty clear. So this is how you would sound if you were streaming a game or in a chat with a party, playing Destiny or something.
It's been
So,
long
like I said, I
since I've
think
done
it sounds
a
really
TV
good.
interview.
Alright, so now I'm recording into my ModMic 5 connected to an XLR cable, which is then connected to the Monoprice 615-808 mixer. And I think the sound quality is pretty good. Just want to give you an idea what it sounds like with studio equipment. So after using the ModMic 5 for about a week, I have to say it's great. If you already have some headphones you really like using, and you want the option of being able to pull out this little handy bag and just opening it up and easily snapping on a mic to play online, this is a great option. You can find it for about $70 at antlionaudio.com, so go check it out.